In a connected digital world, collaboration doesn't stop at your organization's boundaries. You often need to work with partners, vendors, consultants, and customers. In Microsoft Entra ID, these collaborators are known as external users. Managing them securely and efficiently is a critical part of your identity and access strategy. When you work in Microsoft Entra ID, you'll often need to collaborate with people outside your organization. These are your external users, identities that don't belong to your tenant but still need access to your resources. First, you might come across guest users from other Microsoft Entra tenants. These are people who already use Microsoft Entra ID in their own organization, and you can invite them to securely access your apps or data without creating a new account for them. Next, there are users with non-Microsoft accounts, such as those using Gmail or Yahoo. You can still bring them into your collaboration environment and give them secure, controlled access, even though their accounts are not part of the Microsoft ecosystem. Lastly, you can invite federated users from trusted identity providers. These users authenticate through their own organization's identity system, and your Entra ID setup recognizes and trusts that system. It's a great way to enable secure access while keeping identities decentralized. By understanding these types, you ensure that external collaboration is smooth, secure, and well managed. Now it's time to jump into the Entra admin portal and walk through the process of inviting an external user to your directory. You'll see just how easy it is to extend access securely beyond your organization. Let's get started. To create an external user, start by navigating to the Identity section in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. From there, go to Users and select all users. Next, click on New User and choose Invite External User. This is where you begin the process of securely inviting someone from outside your organization into your directory. This page is the Invite External User screen. You begin by entering the email address of the external user, a Gmail or another Microsoft Entra account. Then you assign a display name, which will appear in your directory. You can choose to send a personalized invite message. If enabled, checkbox is ticked. The user will receive a welcome email with your custom message. Invite redirect URL is the required field. After accepting the invitation, the user will be redirected to the specified URL, such as your organization's landing page or a specific app. For example, myapplications.microsoft.com. This helps streamline the user experience by guiding them to the right destination post-invitation. You are now looking at the User Properties section for the external user you are about to invite. These settings are consistent with what you learned in the User Properties session. Things like job title, department, and contact information. While these details might seem optional, they play a critical role in streamlining user management and enhancing security. Always take a moment to fill in relevant properties. It helps keep your directory organized and ensures that access reviews, audit trails, and role assignments stay accurate and efficient. Click Review and Invite to invite user. Confirmation screen appears as shown. Just click on Invite. You can now see the newly added Entra ID test user listed on the All Users page in Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Notice that the user type for this entry is set to guest, which confirms that this identity was invited as an external user. This distinction helps you clearly separate external collaborators from internal members within your directory, enabling better access control, auditing, and policy enforcement. That's how you can invite external users.